Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Eves once here again. Today I'm gonna show you how to make acrylic nails using the dipping method. This method is easier and it saves you time and it saves you acrylic liquid and acrylic powder. It's good for beginners and you can't go wrong. Without wasting much time, let's get started. So to start, I'm gonna push my cuticles back a little bit. Then I'm gonna file my nails. This is gonna help the acrylic stick better and get rid of any excess oil. Afterwards, and with the help of a glue, I'm going to fix my tips. I do prefer the natural looking tips. Then I'm just gonna cut off the excess nail. I don't want it too short, I don't want it too long. Then I'm gonna come in with a file again and file my nail very well. I'm gonna file the sides, the surface, and underneath. Now I'm gonna come in with a little bit of a polish remover and clean the surface again. Now I'm gonna get my acrylic liquid and using the brush, I'm just gonna dip it inside and put it on my nails. I'm gonna put it on like I'm painting my nails. So this is the first application and I'll just leave it to dry off. This is also going to help suck out excess oil. Now I'm going to put some of the liquid again on my nail, and this time afterwards I'm going to dip it into the powder. Then using a different brush, I'm going to brush off the excess powder. I'm then going to come in with the liquid again. This dries very fast, so you do not need to wait too long in between. So I'll put on the liquid again and dip it inside the powder the second time. I'm gonna brush off the excess powder and brush it with the liquid again. You are gonna do this until you get the thickness you want. It depends. If you want it thicker, you're gonna do it more. If you want it thinner, you're gonna do it less. So after I've achieved my desired thickness, I'm just gonna come in with the file again and file my nails. I'm gonna make sure the surface is smooth and the sides are even. With this method, you don't need to file a lot because it is kind of impossible to have uneven surface. After filing, I'm just gonna come in with my top coat. And this is it guys, it's so easy and it's so fast. Acrylic nails using the dipping method. I hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed to this channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button right now. Share this video, and until next time, I'm gonna see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.